friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. It's the 43rd annual Joe Nall. We've got a gorgeous Viper jet here. Really neat scheme. Folks, this is going to be fantastic. Sit back, relax, please put your tray tables in the upright position. The pilot has turned off the no smoking sign, and enjoy the flight. What's interesting about the Viper jet, folks, is that the full size was a home built. And I read recently only about 4 were ever really built to completion. The company went out of business because they didn't sell as many as they hoped they would. But what's really interesting is that the Viper jet for RC has been immensely popular. I mean immensely popular. Done many times over many different manufacturers. So perhaps that company should have shifted their focus to RC rather than full scale. It is a favorite among RC pilots from both the Turbine and the EDF versions, meaning EDF electric ducted fan. And the plane is driven by an electric motor rather than an actual turbine. Folks, the pilot's got his gear down. Looks like he might be making a landing. Something must be going on. Stay with us, folks. Let's see what happens here. Don't go anywhere. Well, maybe he just forgot to put up his gear. There we go.
On the field! On the field!
if there's any question as to the popularity of turbine jets, you need only to listen to the videos that we've shot this week. And the number of turbine jets in the background sounds like a busy airport. The Triple Tree is the perfect spot for flying jets. 7,000-foot runway, folks. The place is so big, we've got 10 flying fields going simultaneously. That's how big Triple Tree is. Whoops, 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 whoops. Oh, good landing, good save. Folks, we're going to call that home-built butter. Home-built butter. Home-built butter, everybody. The reason being because the Viper was a home-built. And what better way to honor the wonderful Viper than to call it home-built butter. And that was a great save with that landing. And he's just parking at the end of the runway. All right, friends, more to come.